If you're in, it's done. Bring me whatever's next on the agenda.
The grass grows on the prairie, wilderness across the continent, and we take it, clear it out, and make it in our image. The backyards, the driveways, the covered wagons rushing through the high plains, the motels on the canyon, they make us second nature. What was it for, this country? The farms and the blood across the prairies. A nation we become as we build a second nature. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Andrew Jackson died on June 8, 1845.
Come on!
His historical legacy is a complicated one. Some say he was the greatest president of the 19th century, while others say his tenure was forever tarnished by the forced relocation of countless tribes.
This really is not helping right now, so you can back a little later when I'm...
And the subsequent Trail of Tears, which resulted in the deaths of many thousands of Native Americans.
Great, good to know. You know you're not supposed to know your legacy before you die?
Even today, there is still no historical consensus. In the past few years, various books and documentaries have raised the question of whether Andrew Jackson was a great president or whether he was, in fact, a genocidal murderer, an American Hitler.
Wow. No, I kind of thought history would vindicate me. Call me a hero.
You can't shoot history in the neck.